Welcome everyone to a special look at the Best Leading Actress category odds for the 87th Annual Academy Awards. All right, coming in smoking hot on the top of the odds is Patricia Arquette from the coming-of-age film Boyhood at minus 5,000 odds. She, like her male counterpart, J.K. Simmons, up for the Best Supporting Actor role, hit the trifecta at the Golden Globes, the Critics' Choice Awards, and the Screen Actors Guild Awards for Best Supporting Actress, putting her at just under 80% odds of winning the award. So hey, if you're a little bit crazy and you want to lay down $5 grand just for $100 in return, she's looking like our girl to take home the win. Which brings me to more reasonable choices priced up for the award. In second place is Emma Stone from the film Birdman, coming in at plus 2,000 odds. Then the beautiful Keira Knightley in The Intimidation Game, priced at plus 3,300. And look at this, surprisingly, Meryl Streep, who is usually mowing over the competition at the Oscars, comes in tied 4th and 5th place on the Oscars rankings at plus 4,000 for her portrayal of the once beautiful witch of the film Into the Woods. Tied with Streep is actress Laura Dern in the film Wild. Now, before you lock in your picks, make sure you check out the full article for an odds breakdown from SBR contributor Swingin' Johnson on the SBR Picks page, and catch him with free picks on the Best Supporting Actress category of the Academy Awards. Good luck on your picks, Oscars betting fans. Until next time, this is Megan Rochester for SBR Picks.